Hey there, it's Darcy Frankel coming to you from Kauai. Today's day 5. Can you feel how happy your body is? You probably haven't felt like this for years. Now, strict fasts don't cleanse you because toxins just get redistributed. And eating clean alone doesn't totally cleanse because we have pockets of toxins trapped in our bodies. So I just love it when all the right pieces fit into place and you can really begin to cleanse. Yesterday brought us a wealth of information in the introduction to toxins, and you assessed your toxic burden with my quiz called Assess Your Toxic Burden. Which of the 7 categories of toxins concerns you most? What's your definition of health? It's so important to learn about toxins so that we can avoid them and have important barometers so that we can track our progress as well as cleanse these toxins out of our body. Now, I'm really curious how you rated in the quiz and what you learned in the quiz. Would you be willing to share that to our Facebook group? Remember, when we share, we do reinforce our learning and we help other people with our unique perspective. Today is Serious Cleanse Protocol Day 1. Now, if you didn't order the Serious Cleanse Protocol Cleansing Kit, that's totally okay. You could do a modified version by using a skin brush on your whole body. Just do that towards your heart. Now, the Serious Cleanse Protocol helps to cleanse the pathways of detoxification. First, the Tulsi Cleanse tea that comes in the kit helps to cleanse the liver and the kidneys. Then, I give you a video tutorial to help to cleanse the next organs of detoxification, the skin and the lymphatic system, where I teach you very specific certain movements that go through your whole body and cleanse your whole lymphatic system. And after that, you have the Serious Cleanse Body Mask. This has earth and sea botanicals, which act as binders to pull toxins out of the body. You'll begin 3 days of the Serious Cleanse Protocol today. Now, I just love today's lesson, and I think you will too. It's called food toxins, the easiest to create, the easiest to detect and eliminate, and I show you how. I also give you one of the quickest ways to detect food toxins, simple steps to eliminate food toxins, and I teach you a beautiful breathing technique. This breathing technique actually cleanses toxins from the channels of the body. It helps to balance both hemispheres of the brain, and within 2 minutes of doing it, you'll feel yourself becoming calm and alert at the same time. Now, if you're doing the 7-day Discover Cleansing program, we only have a couple more days after this, so keep your intentions strong. And if you felt the benefits and want to continue, remember, you get to do a cleanse each week. The next week, we do lymphatic cleansing, where we go through our whole lymphatic system, we learn all about that system, and we cleanse. The week after that is a complete heavy metal detox, which other professionals like me charge $600 or more for that alone. I have a special offer for you to do my 30-day Serious Cleanse Challenge. Oh my gosh, I'm going to pay you to cleanse. Now, this means that you can do the Serious Cleanse 30-day challenge at a substantial discount. This sale will only last for 3 days. I spent a year creating this course. You should hop on it before I change my mind. Looking forward to hearing about your great experiences. Enjoy your cleansing day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Aloha.